Hi guys, I am just going to do a quick unpackaging. This is an Amazon package, obviously. This is for tumblers. I went ahead and ordered a bunch of temporary tattoos to put on tumblers. So I got some that were big and some that were smaller. Try and pull them out of here. I had others ordered, but they seem to have taken the Great Circle route and are not here. But I got these ones that are all koi fish that I thought were pretty cool. So that's those. And then I got these ones, which are smaller. So hopefully sometime this week I will be able to get to applying some of these to tumblers and showing you what I'm going to do with them. Some of these are black and white. I may add a little bit of color to them. I haven't decided yet. But this was a flower bundle. So that is what I got for tattoos so far. And then this package is from Woody's Goodies. So let's see what I ordered from them. Mostly pigments and micas. They have a crazy selection. So I ordered several of their like sampler packs just because it was easier for me. I'm going to fold my invoice so I can tell you what I got, but not share any personal details. Alright. So let me get this opened. So I'll just start with this. This is what they call the Magic Peacock series. These are all like interference colors. And it's a set of 10. They're all going to look white until they go on a black base. But it says on them what each color is. So that's what these 10 are. There's mauve, green, violet, rose, I think that's what that says, bright green, silver, sky blue, blue, bright gold, and golden. So that's those. And then I ordered 3 of their alcohol inks because I needed some yellows. So I got a couple of yellows. I don't know if it says the names on here. It says it on the box, but that one's Lemon Drop. This one is not yellow. Surprise, surprise. I ordered something called Tropical Mermaid, which is a teal aqua. And then Mimosa is another yellow. I go through so much yellow when I do my inks. They included a couple of their little spoons, which are always good to have. And then some of these are micas and some of them are chameleons. I believe these 10 are all micas. Just some different colors. Beach blonde, kiwi fruit, punchy, I think it says punchy blue, peachy blue, sapphire, jack-o'-lantern, silver bullet, which looks very dark, which is cool, pool boy, smoky bear, black knight, and lipstick red. And then I have a frosty pearl in here, which may have been an add-on, a freebie. And this should be the chameleon kit. This one's called Pony. This is No More Mr. Nice Guy. Sweet Child. Jane Says. We're Not Gonna Take It. And Love Shack. So those are chameleons. They should shift over a black base. But Woody's Goodies has a ton of selection. It's almost overwhelming. That is why I ordered samplers, just so I didn't have to make the choice myself, except for the inks. Just because there's so much to pick from. So you'll be seeing these guys coming out in some of my upcoming videos. And you'll be seeing the tattoos coming up on cups. So that's what's new. I should be able to get to some tumblers this week. I've got a couple more molds I want to do. I may coat some of the molds with some of these first. So that'll be fun. We've got a lot of stuff to play with.